Welcome back to the Crypto Kings YouTube channel. If you are here, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, in today's video, we'll be talking about NFTs, and I'll be giving us a concrete review of the Binance NFT Marketplace. I'll be teaching us everything about it, how we can maneuver through the Binance NFT Marketplace and trade our NFTs, make money, mint free NFTs, and also make good money for ourselves from this big ecosystem. So first of all, on the list, I think we need to actually know the basic things we need to know. So first of all, we go to under here, there is profile, and click on here. It shows you first of all, you have to have a verified Binance account. So first thing first, if you actually don't have a Binance account, check the link on the description and you'll see a Binance. You use the link on the description and register, and then you create a Binance account. Then endeavor to do KYC verification, because that's very key. If not, you won't be seeing mine verified. If not, you won't be able to make use of the Binance NFT Marketplace. Then under here, we can actually go to user center to take us to see more information about the Binance user interface. Then we have under here, under assets, we can see NFT assets, crypto, meta, mystery boxes, and the crypto assets. So let's go to settings. First thing first, under settings we have basic. Under this basic, if you click on basic, actually where you can actually set your nickname and avatar. You can actually change it here. So you see I changed my nickname to the Crypto King, my email, my UD, and you can actually change your avatar. Also, you can actually add a bio about yourself if you want people to know more about you. You can actually also have a banner. Then you can actually also increase your limit, account limit, because the default account limit Binance gives to every Binance NFT trader is $100,000. So for those that trade in large volumes, you can actually come and increase it here to maybe your daily total purchase limit. You can increase it, and your total assets limit, listing limit, you can actually also increase it there. Then you can also do for notifications. Then you have a favorite. You can actually see favorite as NFTs you have been actually liking. You can see history of all what you have been doing. That is others. The history. If you click on that others there, you can see all what you have been doing, your purchase history, your sales, your bidding, your deposit, and every other thing you need to see. Then here we have the assets that shows you your NFTs you have. Under assets shows your NFTs that you have. You can see for now I have only one collection, which that was a free one, and it's actually also on sale. Yes, on sale. Mystery boxes. So if you actually want to know how to list your NFT on Binance, check the link in the description. The link will be there on how to. I did a video on how to list your NFT. For example, those that have listed your NFT, and so that you can actually sell it on Binance. You can actually also deposit NFTs here on Binance Exchange. You can also deposit NFT. You just choose the network, maybe BSC or Ethereum. Those are the two supported for now. I believe with time other network will be accepted, just like Solana and the rest. You can deposit. You can also withdraw. You can also check your wallet. So that's for the home. Here you can check your currency, USD, and your language, English, for those that are that understand English. Then under now we go to I'm clicking on that Binance NFT icon. It actually takes us to the home page. Under this home page, there are a lot of interesting things you will be able to see here. And one of the things we actually see, network is loading. Okay. If you scroll down, it helps you to do a lot of more research. Now here Binance actually have details. You can actually do a lot of research and know a lot more about Binance. Binance NFT, the mission is to lead the future of metaverse through events. Yeah, because most of the NFTs you get here gives you free access to events held by Binance Marketplace and Mystery Box. Mystery Box is actually a very wonderful one. It's where you get most of these NFTs for free. Binance does that, so you don't actually have to even buy them. Like the NFT I got it for free on behalf of Binance. So that's Mystery Box. So now you can see here, this is the home page. It shows you recommended creators, recommended collections, trending, gaming, Binance also had just added a new one now. We call it IGO. Yeah, NFT gaming. So let me click on the gaming icon. So Binance just added it. So how this actually works is that IGO, initial game offering. So for those that are BNB holders, this actually helps you to be able to, being an BNB holder, you know what you actually gain normally from IEOs, Binance Exchange Offering. Normally you can use it to stake whenever a new coin will be listed on Binance, for example, under their launchpad, and you gain some of that token just for free, for a little penny is being deducted. So same thing happens here in IGOs, and over 16 projects have been listed on Binance Gaming NFT, and you get NFT in return, that token NFT. So the last one that just finished was this step, and that's GMT. That has been, the token has actually done so much, has done so well. It's actually a new it's actually a new cryptocurrency with a very great project, in which while you are working you are earning some cryptocurrency. So it's actually a good one, and this is the collection of the NFT, and those that actually staked got some collection of that. And you can see so far it has done well in growth. Total volume over up to close to 1 billion US dollars have been traded so far, total amount staked and total participants. You can see it's actually a good one. So for those that BNB, can actually come here, always check upcoming IGOs, and you can actually stake your BNB and have a share. That is actually like a white list. You actually have, most times you have a portion of white list, for example, to be able to buy or mint that NFT you get just because you staked your BNB. So that's actually a good one. Then under here we have the marketplace. The marketplace is where you see all NFTs you actually want to buy. So now we have NFTs ranking. You can click on it and you can actually see how each NFT project have been doing excellently well in a day, 7 days, 30 days, and all-time high. So now we can see top collections in 7 days. You can click on this. You can maybe all-time high or 1 day or 30 days based on the research you actually want to do and know. So for example, we are doing for the past 7 days, this TEF NFT has been the top collection and has traded over 9 million US dollars. Crazy one, 2,000 sales and the rest. So you can actually check top sales, top creators, all-time high, or based on your jurisdiction, maybe you want 1 day, 7 days, and the rest. So that's all. And this actually, you have to actually do research. Cryptocurrency, you have to do research before you invest in it. Maybe you want to buy an NFT, do a lot of research so that you don't actually go and buy an NFT that will end up you losing your money. You get, because when it goes down the floor price, you have lost your money. So you have to do due analysis, research. Quite very important. Then we also have here the fleeters under the NFT Marketplace, because we have so many to help you reduce your research, do research faster. You actually know what you want. So under that filter we have collections. You can actually check out for the various collections. Yeah, the various collection, you choose the one you actually want to. So it's quite low, it's quite slow. Then you can actually choose, okay, status coming soon, NFTs that will be launched very soon on Binance NFT. You can actually work with that. Collections, different collections. Then those that are having a live fixed price, if you can actually buy them at a fixed price or on there's an auction. Now you can see these are different NFT projects. We have the step N, the big D's, and there are so many. So that is that. Then we also have another place here, the mystery boxes. Mystery boxes. Okay, so like I told us what the mystery box is majorly, most times it's free. Yeah, it's free, in which Binance, there'll be some, it's not actually quite free per se. There'll be some activities you actually do, like Binance actually have a one for new users that actually verify their accounts. You actually have a free NFT that might worth a little money. You get some can actually sell some for $10, $100, and the rest based on when you list it when you list it. Someone can actually buy it, so it's still money. It's good, it's and it's free. You get. So there are various activities. Like the one I got was Mobox gaming, and most of these NFTs mystery boxes, they are actually related to maybe gaming things, so you can actually use them to attend maybe events, or you to actually use them for into gaming. Like now, win NFT, or they actually have their uses, and they actually can be sold. So you can actually see top gainers and the rest. So under the mystery boxes, so there's a lot in store for you on Binance NFT platform. A lot in store. So you actually do your due diligence, do a lot of your research before you invest or you buy or mint any NFT, so that you don't actually mint a the one that you not actually like or do well. You get. But NFTs that on Binance NFT platform is actually, before it's actually approved, it actually be a great project. So you are sure of that. So if you got value from this content, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.